She didn't have to cut me off. But we were nothing. Need your love, but you treat me like so love. So love.
A few moments later.
At finally, naubos ko din ang isang slice na talaga naman. Solve na solve. Pero pag tinignan mo naman ang video, pero sa kabuuan, talagang napakasarap naman talaga ng pizzang ito. Dito lang yan at salamat naman meron na dito sa Daet. At sana naman sa susunod, nabalik ko rito kasama ko